In this video we will talk about the benefits of investing in EOS. If you subscribe now to our channel, you can ask a question in the comments below and you will receive a personalized response video. Don't miss this unique opportunity. Well, are you ready? Here we go. First of all, what is EOS? EOS is the fifth cryptocurrency in the world by capitalization, with a total market cap of about $2.4 billion at the time we are talking. Like all highly capitalized cryptocurrencies, it is not only a speculative function, but also a very precise one. It is in fact an infrastructure that allows the development of apps for smartphones using blockchain technology. This blockchain not only allows the development, but also the hosting and use of applications called dApps. In fact, it has all the features of a normal web app and provides a toolkit for interface development, greatly simplifying the creation of apps. The concept of traditional mining does not exist here, but the blocks in the chain are produced by the so-called block producers, who are remunerated in EOS tokens. Here are its main features. It is scalable because it can support thousands of dApps-type applications. It is very flexible as it allows to freeze and repair the developed applications. It is user-friendly because it provides toolkits that allow you to develop applications in a simple way. It does not provide for the payment of any commission for transactions, both outgoing and incoming. In addition, the governance of EOS allows developers to make changes to the core protocol, avoiding forks, typical of Bitcoin, and thus eliminating this type of risk. Should I invest in EOS? With these prerequisites and considering that EOS has a cohesive development team, the Block.one headed by Dan Larimer, founder of EOS, we can expect the value of the currency to grow in the coming years. Let's see some forecasts conducted by authoritative sources of the sector. 1. Wallet Investor. According to Wallet Investor, EOS is an excellent long-term investment. Experts say that the value could probably fall below the dollar at the end of 2019 and then rise to $6 in 2020, while it is expected to rise dramatically to $30 in 2025. According to these forecasts, 2020 would be the best year to invest in EOS. 2. Trading Beasts. Trading Beasts says that by the end of 2019, the stock will remain stationary and then increase significantly in 2020 to $4 and reach in the coming years a maximum of $6. Digitalconpress. Digitalconpress even assumes that in 2020 the value of EOS will touch $8 up to $18 between now and 2025. Of course, as much as we can trust the opinion of experts, no one is able to predict exactly the future, so we advise you to invest in these operations only a small part of their capital and try to acquire as much information as possible about it. Where should I buy EOS? To invest in EOS, we recommend that you sign up for the PLUS 500 platform, the world's leading trading platform with millions of satisfied customers worldwide. You will find the link in description. With PLUS 500 you don't risk seeing your capital disappear from one day to the next because it's a SISEC-regulated platform. The main advantage of PLUS 500 is that you can invest both downwards and upwards, and this allows you to gain on any fluctuation in the market. If you don't have much experience with trading, PLUS 500 provides you with a free demo account with which you can take your first steps and learn how to trade profitably. In the description you will find the direct link to the platform. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like below and subscribe to the channel to stay always up to date.